Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining in.
Good morning.
Good morning, Rekha ji,
Morning.
Rehana ji, Sanjana, Roja. Rekha ji, you were saying something yesterday or day before?
No, nothing.
Actually, our meeting ended and you were speaking something, but then I also had to go to job, so I just let it end. We'll see if we can increase time. Let's see. Right now, people wanted a short, short session. Have you all started writing your blessings? 10 blessings?
Yes. I have it.
Yes, I know you have been doing it, right? Mm. Did any of you, other than Rekha ji, wrote the blessings? Okay, thank you, Roja. Yes, so you have to start writing your blessings. Tomorrow we will be covering it, but we will start our session at 3 p.m. in Indian time. So I want you all to write it in the morning when you wake up. Good morning, good afternoon, Manohar ji. Thank you for joining in. You're saying something, we cannot hear you.
I said thank you to you also for conducting this session.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for
We
joining.
can start. Okay, it's only 7 participants.
Yes, we can start. Okay. Let's start with peak state programming. I will share the link. If anyone new and don't know what's peak state programming, I can explain it later. I mean, if somebody really new to this, then I can explain it right now. Just write in the chat box. Okay, let's start. So 1 foot in front and 1 foot behind. And we are trying to pretend that we are running. Actually, we are not running, but we are trying to pretend. And we are, in our mind, we are running faster and faster so that we can win the race. Okay, so let's start. If you can't hear the music, put on music on your own cell phone, the video that I sent in the group. You can start playing the video. Run faster. Yes, yes, you can win. You must, you will. I am the winner. We all are the winners in the game of life. Yes. Okay. We will do left leg forward now. Yes, yes, yes. We all are the winners. Okay, let's start our nice book. Okay, so I was talking about the heart thought yesterday that I will explain it little bit more. So, do you all want to start the magic book first and then explain the heart thought later, or do you want to do right now? You all can write in the chat box. We can start with the magic book first and then go to heart thoughts later. Magic book. Okay, okay. Perfect.
Anything will do.
Okay, okay. We will explain the yesterday's heart thought later. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so who would like to read today?
Should I read?
Yeah, sure, sure. Sure, thank you for coming up.
Yeah, nobody came up, so I thought I'll read. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So let's start. What are your dreams? Many of the magical practices are designed to help you achieve your dreams. Therefore, you need to get clear about what you really want. Sit down with a computer or pen and paper and make a list of what you really want in every area of your life. Think through every detail of what you want to be, to do, or have in your life, in your relationships, in your career, finances, health, and every area that is important to you. You can be as specific and detailed as you like, but remember your job is simply to list what you want, not how you are going to get it. The how will be done for you when gratitude works its magic.
Okay.
If you want a better,
yeah, let me explain
yeah.
a little. So I want you all, I mean, let me ask you, how many of you wrote whatever wish that you have? Any of you wrote that?
No, I have not written. I have just seen your message now only. So maybe I'll do it today.
No,
Okay.
wish even I'm not.
Okay, none of you did. That's fine. That's fine. But I want you today to sit down. If you can sit it first thing in the morning, that will be perfect. But that doesn't matter. You just need to sit down, get a pen and paper, and start thinking. So when you start writing, many of the things will come. And this book also will tell you how to write your dreams. But you can start looking in the areas like relationships, career, finances, health, and all the important area that you would like to have something in the future. So you need to have a list, because all these practices that we are going to do will help you get those dreams fulfilled. So, okay, let's read further. Manoharji, you can read.
If you want a better job or your dream job, then think about everything you want the job to be. Think about the things that are important to you, such as the type of work you want to do, how you want to feel in your job, the type of company you want to work for, the kind of people you want to work with, the hours you want to work, where you want your job to be, and the salary you want to receive. Get very clear about what you want in the job by thinking it through thoroughly and writing all the details down.
Okay, so let me talk about this. So, whatever financial goals or career goals that you have, if you are not doing a job and if you are doing your own business, then how much turnover you want monthly, that you need to write it down, and you need to quantify how you want it and how much you want it. So, like, let's say if you're doing a job and if you're earning maybe 50,000 Indian rupees a month, then, and you want to increase your salary, just be a little practical also, and let it come from within. Whatever come, it should come from within. It should be your goals, not your wife's goals or not your family goals. It should be specific to you, what you want. Okay, let's go further.
So,
If you want.
if you want money to educate your children, work out the details of the education, including which school you want your children to attend, the cost of the school fees, books, food, clothing, and transportation, so that you know exactly how much money you will need. If you want to travel, then write down the details of the countries you want to visit, how long you want to travel for, what you want to see and do, where you want to stay, and the means by which you want to travel.
Okay, so
If you want,
according to the law of attraction, you should be able to visualize. So even if you like, if you want to travel to let's say you want to travel to uh, Rome or Italy or London, so you know that you want to travel there for a long time, but you cannot, if you cannot visualize, then just go on the website or any which way that you want to see how London looks like, how it feels to be on that London Bridge. So you need to, you need to get down to those things. If you want, then you just go and look around. In today's era, we have Google. So whichever place you want to travel, just go Google it and try to feel that how it feels to go there. And also try to get down to the like exact money you want for your kids education and all that things. Like if they are going to school right now, how much money you want for their transportation, or if you want to put them in some different classes, then you should be at least knowing what you want. And writing down is very important, very, very important. Writing down your goals are so important. So I want all of you to write down today. Sit with yourself and don't worry that you have to have a perfect goal today, perfect dreams today itself. No, you will work on it later on also, and you will be changing your dreams whenever you feel like that is not relevant to you. I mean, it will come from within, but right now, just write down. That's it. Okay, you can go further.
yeah. So if you want a perfect partner, then write down every detail of the characteristics you want that person to have. If you want improved relationships, write down the relationships you want to improve and what you want them to be like.
So
If you want,
relationships, I would like to say something here. Yeah. So for relationships, how like what relationship you want to improve with your child or with your spouse, whatever, please write it down. I will give you an example, like with your spouse, if you want to have a more respectful relationship or more loving, just write it down how you want it to be. Or with if your children, if you feel like your children don't listen to you or something like that, then you can also write down. I want you to just write down that my children are listening to me, or they are trusting me, or they are having a respectful relationship with me, something like that. So just don't look at your current circumstances, don't, because when you start looking your current circumstances, your mind will say tell you that no, this is not possible. But don't go in the how it's going to be possible. We will be working on our gratitude. Everything will happen on its own. You don't have to go in the how. That's how the law of attraction works. You never go in the how. You just place the order in the universe and have faith, be happy, and just go with the flow. And gratitude is the bridge. It's a bridge to your dreams. So we will learn further how you should be doing gratitude every day. Okay, let's read further about health.
so that was about the relationship. If you
Yes.
want more health or an improved bodily condition, be specific about what ways you want to improve your health or body. If you want a dream home, then list every detail of what you want the home to be, room by room. If there are specific material things you want, like a car, clothes, or appliances, write them down.
Yes, so write down about your health, like what weight you want to be at, weight you want to achieve. Write down everything. Don't go in the how you're going to achieve. Don't go into that area right now. Just write down whatever you want in your home, in your if you like to have a new car, then what car you want. Because in if you watch the Secret movie, it says that you have to be very specific. And it's okay if you cannot jot down very specific things, that's also fine. We'll work on it, but at least have some idea. Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to achieve something such as passing an exam, getting a degree, a goal in sports, succeeding as a musician, doctor, writer, actor, scientist, or business person, or whatever it is you would like to achieve, write it down and be as specific as possible. I would strongly urge you to find the time to maintain a list of your dreams throughout your life. Write down the little things, the big things, or what you want this this moment, this month, or this year. As you think of more things, add them to that list. And as you receive things, cross them off the list. An easy way to do a list of what you want to do is to divide it into categories of health and body, career and work, money, relationships, personal desires, material things, and then just add the things you want to each category.
Yeah, so
So,
today what you have to do is, like right now, write down health and body, and then start thinking about like how whatever is your current health. Like if you want more energy in your day-to-day life, or if you want a good physique, or if you want a good good figure or something like that, whatever you want, write it down. Writing down is very, very much necessary. And like career and work related, whatever, if you wanted to work in a specific company, write it down. What job you want, write it down. everything.
The start would be, I want this health or
No,
this
right now
I
we are
have.
not, actually we are not working on how we will be writing. I just want everybody, every one of you to write down. At least you know
No, like
what
in
you want.
English, we'll start by writing, I want this much of money. Correct? Now that will be the English line.
Right, right.
Or it
I
should
wish
be
I want whatever.
present tense.
Yeah. So like if your money goals are like maybe let's say 1 lakh Indian rupees a month. So just write down 1 lakh Indian rupees a month. Like that.
Okay. Nothing else
No,
on the
nothing else.
paper.
Yeah, yeah. Like if in a career and work category, if you want to write like maybe you are doing a business and you want like if you have 10 clients right now and you want to increase your clients, so you will write down like maybe from 10 to 20 or 50, whatever. So you be specific, like okay, I want 50 clients. I mean
Okay.
50 you know,
Maybe clients or something like that.
yeah, whatever. If you
can send some
telling
examples,
something.
if you can send some examples on WhatsApp, now that will be better. The lines, just an
Okay.
example.
Yeah, because
Maybe that
I'm
will
not
trigger our
going
thinking.
to.
Yes, actually, we need examples. What happens now in this book? There are many areas of goals written in this. Now,
Right.
actually, in practical life, what happens? We think only about a certain thing, and we run after that only. So, health, money, relationships, personal desire. Actually, we don't have time or don't know. We don't think about all other things, and all other things are left out. So, how to manage all these goals? How to think of these goals? How to manage this?
So no, okay. Let be specific. Right now, we are not going into how many goals you have. I just want you to write down in each category what you want. Just a simple thing, nothing much. Don't go into like, if my goal is left out. No, that's fine. We are humans. We are working, right? So write down. We just need to jot down what you want from our life. If a relationships, then like what kind of relationship you want with your parents. Maybe it's not very good right now, but you want to have a more loving relationship with them, and it's a source relation. So relationship with your parents is very, very important. We will work on it later on, like how you can improve. But right now I just want you to have a little bit of idea, like in relationships what you want. It's very easy. And then when Rhonda Byrne, in our 13th day of Magic Book, she will tell us to write down top 10 desires of ourselves. So that time we will review whatever we wrote right now. We will review again, and then I will actually let you all work on 3 specific goals that you want to achieve very soon. So that's how we will go. But like whatever your life was in the past, just completely put it on aside. Put it on aside right now. Whatever it is, current circumstance, everything, put it on aside, and just think about like, okay, what I want for my body, or what I want for my business, or for my career, or for my job. What money I want every month so that I can fulfill. And you have to think about money. Like if you write down 1 lakh Indian rupees a month, why you are taking that specific amount? Why? Because maybe you want 20,000 Indian rupees for your house expenses. Then you want 10,000 Indian rupees for your children's fees. Something like that. You should have a particular things in your mind before you write down a specific amount. I just want you to churn your mind today. Just churn it and write down whatever comes in your mind. When you start writing, you won't believe what kind of things come out. Seriously, because that is the key here. Writing involves so many senses, and writing sometimes involves coming fully from your subconscious mind sometimes. Because when we think, we have so many different thoughts, so many different thoughts. But when you write, it will organize your thoughts. That is why writing is important. When you organize, like whenever, even if you, some of you might be doing, to-do list every day. What it is, just organizing your thoughts. Because there is so many thoughts going on in your mind right now. Like, oh, today I want to, like for me today, I want to go to farmer's market. I want to clean my house, or things like that. But
so we will able to prioritize the list then. later
right.
on.
So that is why writing is very important, because it will reorganize everything, whatever is going on in your mind. So that's why I told all of you just yesterday also, so that you start thinking about. And now it will be the time that you already organize your thoughts. Because when you think and think and think for some, for particular things, and when you sit down, you will be able to organize very beautifully. Okay, let's read
Fine.
further.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
when you get clear about the things you want, you are giving a definite direction to the way you want gratitude's magical power to change your life. And you're ready to begin the most exciting and thrilling adventure you have ever been on.
So believe me, it will be a very thrilling adventure. This all gratitude is about feelings. So once you start feeling, once you start putting the feeling in your gratitude, you will definitely have some power in your hand. And that power, you need to be, you need to direct that power for fulfilling your dreams. That's why we are preparing this dream list. It is very important to write down what you want from your life. Be specific and be gentle to yourself. Don't think about if you deserve it or not. No, think very big for yourself, for your life. Think big. Whatever comes in your mind, don't let your mind take over and saying, oh no, I cannot do this, or I cannot have this, or I don't deserve. Don't let that come in your mind. Put that thought aside and just write whatever big dreams you have. You are very powerful, you believe or not, but you are very powerful individual. We all are so powerful. We have so much within. We just need to use it now for our own good. So that is why we are writing the dreams before even we are starting the magic practice. Because when you will have a power, you want to put it in a better direction. Because I know when you do all these assignments very beautifully from your heart, from putting your heart and your mind to it every day, you make a structure out of it, and then you will feel some kind of power. Oh wow, that is, the things are happening on its own effortlessly. And then you want to direct your power to some particular goals. You get focused on your goals. That is why writing down goals is very necessary. We will come again after 13th day. On the day 13th, but at least you have some idea what you want from your life. And that is the reason we are doing this today. Okay, and I will share the heart thought now. Okay, so we talked about this yesterday, right? Any of you, please write down in the chat if you cannot see the screen for heart thoughts. Can you see? Okay, perfect. So yesterday Louise had talked about I express myself in positive ways. So here you will feel like she's talking about an accident. some kind of punishment or some kind of repressed hostility. What is she talking about? So she's talking about whenever you have anything repressed for years and years, that wants to come out in one or the other way. So, some accident occurs or some. So what I want to tell you here is everything happens in your life for a reason. Nothing happens without any reason. There is no coincidence in your life. Whatever happening to your life in this particular moment is happening for a reason. You are here in this book for a reason. There is a reason. And there will be a reason also to continue in this book. At that time, sometimes you will have to push yourself. Even if things are not changing or things not looking good outside, you have to stay with the process. That is very important. So here she's saying that some of your repressed anger wants to come out, or repressed feelings wants to come out and express itself in some or the other way. That is what it is. So if you have so much anger or frustration, just get the pillow and hit the pillow so many times. That's how you release your anger. Another way is to just go on a walk in the nature. That is also releasing any bad feelings or bad expression inside. Another way, whatever way you like. Some people also do, like they they get in the car and shout how much you want, but you need to release that anger from yourself. You cannot have so many repressed feelings inside, and when you release, you will feel so peaceful and calm. That is what we are working here. We want to be a peaceful and calm person in any negative situation or any situation. We need to be grounded whenever even if we achieve something, we need to be grounded, always connected to the earth, connected to our roots. So that is what all of these authors, and we will be reading so many different books in our coming months. But I want you all to practice Magic Book every single day of your life, now on. Every single day. It will be a little bit, sometimes you might feel like, I don't want to do this or that, but please believe in it. Just trust the process. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, let's read for our today's heart thought. The moment you say affirmations, you are stepping out of the victim role. You are no longer helpless. You are acknowledging your own power. So today's heart thought is, I am on the next step to my healing. An affirmation is a beginning point. It opens the way. You are saying to your subconscious mind, I'm taking responsibility. I'm aware there is something I can do to change. If you continue to say the affirmation, either you will be ready to let whatever it is go, and affirmation will become true, or it will open a new avenue to you. You may get a brilliant brainstorm, or a friend may call you and say, have you ever tried this? You will be led to the next step that will help you with your healing. So affirmations are very, very powerful thing. Once you accept that, oh, this life is my own responsibility. Nobody is to blame in my life. No one. Whatever your childhood was, whatever your past, nothing is to blame. You take the responsibility in your hand, and you are saying to your subconscious mind that I am taking the responsibility. And I am aware that whatever happens to me is happening because of me and me only. So you come out of the victim role. If somebody is harassing you or somebody is abusing you, if you're taking it on yourself, that means you are a victim. You are playing a victim role. But now I want all of you to come out of the victim role. Step out. Say these affirmations every day to yourself that I take the responsibility for myself. And you will no longer be helpless. Whatever you help, you will get it from the higher, from the universe, from the God, from Allah, from Khuda, whoever you believe in. But you will no longer be a victim. So that is why affirmations are very, very important. Please write those down. You can also write your own affirmations, whatever you think that relevant to your own life. But come out of the victim mode and be in present moment and start telling yourself positive statements and positive affirmations. Every day, whenever you think, like sometimes our thoughts are on autopilot, but whenever you are aware of your thoughts, just start telling yourself some positive things about